Okay, I'm gonna take easy because I'm just riding by myself. I'm riding solo. Okay. Naalala ko dito, walang drop. Yung ano lang talaga, super step. Yung naalala ko dito, yung super step. It's rutted. Super rutted. Oh god damn it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I made it. That's the first section. Yan yung first section niya. Super steep. Pero ayaw ko talaga mag-ride dito ng super dry. It's really loose yung trail. So tandaan lang ako kasi I can't remember yung trail. Hindi ko maalala how steep it is and yung line. This is yung second